Kahit tiwatong ni Repogas, lamang ko po sa kanay Christ ang manaw, ang kautibis at transfer to Him. Amen. Sabi sa pasambala, lang verse 18, He who believes in Him is not condemned. Ikaya lukulani, iwa sa tohya ni mamay. But he who does not believe is condemned already. Ikaya esa lukui, iwa afansak, afansak mong makaruputin, kafaruputin lang ni mamay. Alam nilang iligtisak ko na. Yeah, but when we start time, when we come and we're like, oh, Mama, I miss you. But if you don't have Jesus, you're going in a separate way. I believe this is what she would tell. If she had one last final message, she would address her own people. I know I'm not going to help. I'm going to go see her. Ngayon, ngomongin, ngasaman, ngayon, can you assure that you're going to go see her? Say more on. Point, compassion. Let's open our book to Mark chapter 6. Mark chapter 6, verse 34. Say more on. They point the three C's. Condition, condemnation, son of one compassion. Good. Mark chapter 6, verse 34. And Jesus, when He came out, saw a great multitude and was moved with compassion for them. Pagkapasalangan Jesus, apurong nakakuna sa mga ramas, iwanetiban, makutututuran tong. Sapo-sapo lang, and when Jesus, when He came out, saw the great multitude and was moved with compassion for them, because they were like sheep, not having a shepherd. So He began teach them many things.